Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this Afro ponytail bun for kids. You need some kinky hair extension, your crochet pin and your ponytail net. This ponytail net comes in a size small for kids, but there's a bigger size for adults in case you want to make this for yourself and not for your kid. You can cut your kinky hair extension to the length you want. After cutting the hair, go ahead to stretch the hair. Insert your crochet pin into 2 to 3 holes in the net at once. Take hair in small sections. Insert the hair on the crochet hook, lock and pull out through the hole. Place your fingers through the loop. Take the hair on the left end through the loop, stretch out and adjust until it is tight enough. This is the result I have, and once you have your result, you can go ahead to use your hand to stroke out the hair. To install the bun, adjust the stopper to widen the net. Once that is done, you can go ahead to place the bun on the updo hair, just as you can see, and adjust the stopper to secure for firm hold. You can also conceal the excess rope underneath the bun. To style my bun, I went ahead to use this butterfly clips to do some finishing touch on the bun, but you can decide to use whatever styling accessories that you have. This is my final result, and if you cannot get a hold of a ponytail net, I have a similar video where I used an elastic band to make the ponytail instead of the net, and you can go ahead to watch that video on my channel. I hope this video has been useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.